Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu dessert cups. First, ensure you have all your ingredients at room temperature for best results. You'll need 8 ounces of mascarpone, 3 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Also, prepare 1 cup of strong espresso, 2 tablespoons of coffee liqueur, and about 24 ladyfingers. Don't forget a dash of vanilla extract and cocoa powder for dusting. Now, let's create that luscious mascarpone cream. Separate your 3 egg yolks and whisk them with 1/4 cup of sugar until the mixture is light and pale. Next, gently fold in the 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese until it's completely smooth and lump-free. In a separate bowl, whip your 3 egg whites with the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar until they form stiff, glossy peaks. Carefully fold these into the mascarpone mixture. Time to assemble our delightful dessert cups. Combine your 1 cup of espresso with 2 tablespoons of coffee liqueur and a dash of vanilla extract. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into this coffee mixture, ensuring they don't get too soggy. Place a dipped ladyfinger at the bottom of your serving cup, then add a layer of the mascarpone cream. Repeat this process, creating 2 to 3 layers, and finish with a smooth, generous layer of cream on top. Almost there. For the best flavor and texture, cover your tiramisu dessert cups and refrigerate them for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the cream to set perfectly. Just before serving, dust each cup generously with unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic finish. And hey, while you're enjoying your delicious dessert, remember to stay refreshed. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.